We're nearing kick-off, the fans are in their seats, and the atmosphere is starting. The team are lining up in a 4-4-2 formation. The sides are playing 3-4-3, plenty in attack, but maybe lacking in defence. And the match kicks off. And he's won it back for his team. Vinicius Junior. Alisson, fantastic stop. Koeman has it. He's won the ball back. Oh, he's fooled the goalkeeper. Oh, we won't tire of seeing that one again. Great stuff. Well, that's been coming. He'll be pleased getting on the score sheet, but can he add to it? A chance to have a better look here. That goal was from way out. He lined up the shot and struck it with confidence. Look at the speed there. What a finish. The player's using his pace. Is that a professional foul? The last man took him out. He could be given his marching orders. It's red. He's been given his marching orders. Oh, he's really let his team down. It's a tactical change here then. The player can't continue, so a new one's coming on. What an opportunity! It hit the post so close. Mendes. Militao in possession. Oh, this is crisp passing. Darwin Núñez. He's racing ahead with the ball. They're moving the ball about so well. Now it's Vinicius. What a chance! David in possession. Martinelli with this run. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. Darwin Núñez. He comes forward with the ball. Oh, there's an opening here. Passed into the box. Antony has it. A clean, swift tackle. The fans are on their feet. And it's Darwin Núñez. There's a look of confidence about the team now as they've drawn level. Can they get in front now? So one team's game plan has gone out of the window after that sending off. Can the other side use their advantage in the second half? So level at half-time and we're underway again. But who's going to take the initiative? He steps up to steal the ball. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. Vinicius Junior. It's opened up. And there it is, goal! He struck at such an important time here to put his team in front. Fantastic goal. Hakimi. He's in control. Darwin Núñez. Vinicius Junior, great run. Hakimi. He's taken back possession.
Time for some fresh legs, maybe. The players are warming up.
Nice pass. This team needs to find a way back into the match. Well cut out. Well read. Darwin Núñez shoots. Again they rattle the goal frame. What a chance! Oh, it's gone in. That goal, his second of the match. That's a goal he'll want to see again and again, and a short strike from this great player. The manager is pacing up and down. Changes might be needed. They're currently second best.
Well, you have to say there's not much chance of a comeback here now.
Martinelli with this run. Will we see a goal? It's there from Morata. Good work there to get on the score sheet. The manager will hope that form continues.